family.
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I am sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine though. She is very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Psychology. I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
How was your vacation?
Hey! How was your vacation?
It was very fun.
Huh. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my father, mother, and older sister.
Do you have a house at the beach?
No, we stayed at a hotel.
Which hotel did you stay at?
It's called the Imperial.
Have you stayed there before?
Yes, we've been going there for years.
Must be very nice.
Yes, it's very nice and not too expensive.
Did you play in the water?
Yes, I went swimming and I rode the banana boat.
How about your older sister?
She does not like the water. She likes to sit on the beach and read a book.
What do your mother and father like to do?
They like to eat in the restaurant.
How long was your vacation?
3 or 4 days.
And will you go there again next year?
Of course.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.